How to adjust brightness of photos on iPhone and iPad. You can easily adjust the brightness of your photos on your iPhone or iPad using the built-in editing tools in the Photos application. To do it, this is a very short video to guide you through it. First of all, launch your Photos application and select the photo you want to adjust the brightness of. Then tap on the Edit, which is on the top right corner of your screen. At the bottom, tap on the adjustment icon. You will see a list of editing options like exposure, brilliance, highlight, shadow, and brightness. Select brightness and drag the slider left or right to decrease or increase the brightness. You can also adjust exposure or shadows and highlights to find your control. Once you are satisfied, tap Done to save your edits, which is on the top right corner of your screen. In this way, you can easily adjust brightness of photos on your iPhone or iPad. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.